Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and welcome to a fan favourite, a Yamaha Virago 250 from 1994. This one is in pretty nice nick. It's had a whole load of engine work done to it, all the servicing work you'd want, so it's ready to rock as it is. Really nice running little bike, and overall I think condition is pretty good for 1994. We're coming up on, what is that now, 30 years? Nearly 30 years old. So pretty good overall. I think front tire here is good, as you can see, plenty of thread. Front mudguard good, the dust caps are good here, no pitting, anything like that on the front forks. Discs and pads are good, front indicators, lamp, everything like that is original. Coming through the bike itself, we have the tank, if it can focus. Yeah, everything looking pretty snazzy there. A little bit of corrosion on the engine, but that's just from age and use. And I think this is going to be used as a little commuter or a first bike or something like that, which is, I think, ideal for it. Seat is great, no rips or tears. Little saddle bag at the back here for some tools. 1994. Rear tire is perfect and good. We've got what looks to be a newish chain at the rear. And everything through here as well. Side panel good. A little bit of a mark here at the bottom of the tank that you can see, and a few little minor scrapes. Other than that, pretty good overall, I would say, for a 1994 bike. Only 25,000 kilometers. A little modification here is the kind of straight end bar, which makes it kind of more narrow and easier to fit through side passages and the likes, which is going to be a benefit, probably filtering and everything like that. So that's it for the little run around on the visual side, and we'll go out for a spin. Okay, and the final bike for today, because unfortunately I was meant to do 10 or 12, but as you can see, the weather, I can't do the visuals on things when it's fucking lashing rain. So last bike of the day is this beautiful Yamaha Virago 125, and to start it, just to make note, the key is underneath and to the left here. Bit of choke, and away she goes, completely dead cold. Let her warm up slightly. Carburetted bike from 1994, 30 years old, by the way, 30. And I'm just going to pull in the choke here slightly, turn on the lights, and away we go. Put in the side stand, choke is off, and the bike is running well. Now, the one thing with these bikes that is great is they fit on all manner of people. I'm a bit taller and I'm quite comfortable on this, to be honest. We'll let him go. So yeah, everything is pretty handy on it. They're a very comfortable bike. I'm just going to turn right here. As I said, the only modification really that I can see and spot from other Viragos I've ridden are these straight handlebars, and all they do is kind of make it a bit more narrow. Don't really make it any harder to ride or anything like that. Usually they are a little bit more, they might make it a little bit more comfortable for me, seeing as I am a bit taller, so they might sit a bit higher for me. But other than that, nothing major. Brakes are working well at the front here. Into first gear. Pulling well, pulling very nicely. And getting rainier and rainier. I'm glad this is my last bike, because I'm getting drenched now. So sorry if there is rain coverage all over the lens. Is a shame, but such is Ireland, and you have to keep going. Yeah, so look, bike sounds good, it's comfortable, it's easy to ride. They're very known for their reliability. I think the only thing that they're known for to go is the starter motors on them. But I think if you're using it daily, that doesn't regularly happen. Usually that's when you just leave it sitting up. Maybe the starter motor itself, a little bit of rust gets in there, jams it, that kind of crap. I've not known many things to go wrong with the Virago 250 or the 125 variant of these.
they're very, very reliable bike, and I think it being 30 years old and running as it does now is a testament to Yamaha and how they built these things. I can tell you now, they don't build them like this at the minute right now. I don't know if any of those new bikes, those 125s or 250s or any of those, are going to last 30 years. I'd highly doubt it. A lot of them will be in the bin. Anyway, look, we're going to turn up here, stick her into neutral, find neutral very, very easily, put down the side stand and go through electronics. So front left indicator, front light working, rear left indicator working, rear right indicator working, front right indicator working, horn working, high beam and low beam both working, and rear brake light also working. All electric, starting, stopping, going through all of the gears, rear brake, front brake, everything spot on. You've seen everything running really, really smartly. So if you did like the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe, and maybe give me a little more subscriptions as well, because I'm out here in the rain for you guys. But I appreciate that very much. If you do want to reach out to us, like I said, Facebook and Instagram is @RetrobikesDublin, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.